Buffalo, New York. Niagara Falls. Back roads. This is it. On my way to Niagara Falls. We are in Buffalo right now. By the time you see this, we won't be anymore. We're all gonna meet up at a casino tonight. The Seneca Casino near Niagara Falls did not work out. I don't know if you can, maybe I can get a little bit of it. No, I missed it. I should have gotten it earlier. There is construction all around on what will be their parking, I assume, or an expansion of the casino. So, no parking there. City skyline, can you see that? 0.4 miles turn. Don't turn here, Jan. Pay attention, YouTuber. Very industrial looking. That's Buffalo. As much as I can get of it. I can't turn it too far.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Swan Street.
There's a better view of some of the skyline anyway. Buffalo, New York. Little old Florida girl in Buffalo, New York. I never thought that I would. Who would have thought?
Turn left onto Oak Street.
Interesting bridge. I don't know anything about it. Gotta be railroad, right? No cars going over. Okay. Not a city girl. I don't like this. Give me a country mountain road any day. Oh, nice. Well, adventure. I'll take it. A few more miles. 6.4 miles to the next turn anyway. Bridges are interesting. Going over or under them, bridges are interesting. Another bridge we're going over. This one's not as fancy looking, but it's still pretty high.
Continue on Niagara Scenic Parkway for 3 miles.
Oh no, Rainbow Bridge. I better get out. Can't take, I'm not taking Coco over the Rainbow Bridge, am I? No. Rainbow Bridge coming up. That's the bridge that Ramona walked across to Canada. And oh, look way over there. Let me see if I can get that. There's the Ferris wheel that Ramona went on, and we couldn't because we didn't have our passports. Too bad. That's okay. She'll get us some pictures, I think. I believe this is the American Falls. Skyline. We'll go back to the rapids here. How's that for a roar? Tonight we're at a Bass Pro shop, and there's also a Walmart there in this one place, and then down there is a Lowe's and a Planet Fitness, and here's our little rolling meetup. JoJo's still at a campground, but there's Cool, and there's Lee's van and Ramona's van, and a couple of other campers around. That's where we're spending the night. Feels comfortable.